Happy Wednesday, everyone. Time once again for your daily bad dad joke. Got this bad dad joke from Brian. So, why did Mozart get rid of his chickens? They kept saying, "Bach, Bach, Bach." I'm more embarrassed for myself, but that was also such a good joke. You know, Barkley would have just been. Is that just me? Is it just me? Or was that joke really bad slash good? It happens once in a while. Brian, thank you for sending in that bad dad joke idea. Keep sending in your bad dad joke ideas, and everyone have a wonderful Wednesday. Bye, guys.